I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to back up from camera roll. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your app, you can see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Now tap on settings icon, which is on top right corner. On my account category, you can see the option of memories. Tap on it. On storage category, you can see the option of import snap from camera roll. Tap on it. Select photos or videos from your camera roll you want to back up to your Snapchat account and tap on import snap. Now to check the snap, go back to your home page. Then swipe up or tap on the gallery icon. This way you can easily back up from camera roll. How to log out of Snapchat. After you have opened up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. Now tap on settings icon, which is on top right. There you can see many categories like my account, additional service, who can, support, feedback, more information, and account actions. Go to account action and tap on logout. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you'd like to save your login info on the device you are using. Tap yes if you want to save your login information and tap no if you don't. Again, a pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to log out. Tap on logout. How to unblock someone on Snapchat. After you have opened up your app, you can see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. There you can see a settings icon on top right corner. Tap on it. Scroll down and go to account actions. There you'll see an option of blocked. Tap on it. Here you will see people whom you have blocked. Tap on cross sign to unblock them. A pop-up message will come up to make sure you want to unblock them. Tap on yes. After you tap on it, this way you can unblock anyone from your Snapchat. How to delete bitmoji on Snapchat. On top left corner, you'll see a profile icon. Tap on it. Here you can see that I have a bitmoji avatar. To delete it, tap on the settings button on top right. Under my account, you can see a bitmoji option. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of unlink my bitmoji on bottom of your screen. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen to ensure you want to unlink bitmoji on Snapchat. Tap on unlink. This way you can delete bitmoji on Snapchat. How to block on Snapchat. After you open your app, you can see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Scroll down and you'll see an option of my friends. Tap on it. Now select a friend whom you like to block. After you have selected the person you like to block, tap on their profile icon, which is on the top left corner. Now tap on three dot icon, which is on top left. There you can see the option of block. Tap on it. A pop-up message will come up. Tap on block to block that person from your Snapchat. This way you can block anyone from Snapchat. How to be best friends on Snapchat. To become best friends, you'll have to communicate with them more than you communicate with others by sending snaps and messages to them more than any of your other friends. Your friends should also communicate with you if they want you on their best friend list. So have them snap you more than their own friends. After that, Snapchat will look at your interaction with other users and internally create an order list based on the number of times you have sent people snaps and the number of times the person has sent snaps to you. This way, Snapchat declares your best friend. How to allow camera access on Snapchat. As Snapchat is a camera app, you'll have to allow camera access. For that, you'll have to go to settings. So tap on open settings. After you tap on it, you can see a camera option. Tap on it. The green button indicates that now you have camera access on Snapchat. Now go back to your Snapchat. Now you have camera access on Snapchat. To take photos, tap on big white circle on the bottom of the screen, and to take video, hold down the white button and let it go when you're finished recording. This way you can easily allow camera access on Snapchat. How to add filters on Snapchat. After you have opened up your app, to use your filters in your snap, tap on the smiley face on the bottom right. And now you can scroll left and choose a filter you like. If you want to explore more filters, tap on Explore. Choose any filter and tap on it. You can also choose filters after you have taken photo or video by swiping left or right. This way you can add filters on Snapchat. How to use Snapchat filter. Now, to use the filter in your snap, tap on the smiley face on the bottom right. Scroll through your options. And when you have picked your filter of choice, tap it to take a photo or hold it down to take a video. If you want to explore more filters, tap on Explore, which is on the bottom right. Choose any filter and tap on it. You can also choose filters after you have taken photo or video by swiping left or right. This way you can use Snapchat filter. How to chat on Snapchat. There you can see the option of chat. Tap on it. Tap on search icon and select any friend you want to chat with. In chat you can send message, stickers, photos, voice messages, and also play games.
How you can add someone on your best friend list on Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat account and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon, which is at the top left corner of the screen, and this will open your profile page. As you can see, now here scroll down and you will see the option with add friends. Tap on the option. Now to add a particular friend, tap on the add option, or you can type the name of the person here. The whole idea is that in order to become best friend on Snapchat, you must communicate with them more than you communicate with most of your other friends. So you can add a particular person, and then so if I add this particular person, now this person will appear on your friend list. Go back and tap on the my friends option and start communicating with the person you want to make the best friend with. So send lots of text and snaps and so on. Then the Snapchat will identify them as a best friend, and that's how they will be added as a best friend.
How you can fix login error of your Snapchat app. So there could be few things that might cause this problem. So in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. So this is the Snapchat app, as you can see. Now first of all, an outdated version of app might be your cause. So go to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app's name on the search bar here, and as you can see there are no update available. However, if the update is available on the app, update your app, then try logging in. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution. Now go to the settings and scroll down and search for app list. Open the app list and then search for the app you are looking for. So that's Snapchat for us. So once you found your app, tap on it. Now tap on the storage option, and once this page opens up, tap on the clear cache option. So once you have cleared the cache of your app, try logging in, and if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, I have another solution to help you again. So now this time try uninstalling the app, reinstall your app, and then try logging in again, and that might help you fix your login error as well.
How to half swipe on Snapchat application. The half swipe feature on Snapchat allows you to read a Snapchat message without notifying the sender that you've read their message. Simply tap open your Snapchat application, and once you are logged into your Snapchat account, swipe towards the right hand side of the screen in order to end up in your chat screen. This is where you'll find all of your messages available on Snapchat. Once you end up in the chat screen, decide which message you want to half swipe and gently place your finger on the sender's bitmoji icon. Swipe towards the right hand side of the screen and you'll be able to see the messages that the person has sent to you. But remember to keep your finger on the screen all the time when you are half swiping on Snapchat. After you are done viewing your chats, swipe your finger towards the left hand side in order to close the chat screen. This way, you can easily read the messages that you received from a particular sender on Snapchat with the half swipe feature. How to fix Snapchat when it keeps closing. If your Snapchat application keeps closing whenever you're trying to log into it, then this video is for you. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've updated your Snapchat app to the latest version. If you're using an outdated application, you might go through this issue. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Snapchat in the search box. Once you make your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to the Snapchat app, give a tap to the update button in order to download the latest updates of Snapchat on your mobile device. Once you've updated your Snapchat, try launching it open by tapping on the open button. Once you make the change, you might be able to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, simply close off Snapchat application from running on your background. Next, go to your settings on your mobile device. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone storage. Now, from the list of the apps that are displayed on the screen, search for Snapchat and tap it on. Tap on Offload App option. Confirm again by tapping on Offload App at the bottom. Doing this will delete the app, but it will keep its data safe. Tap Reinstall App and reinstall the application back again on your iPhone. And doing this will also clear out your cache data from your Snapchat app. Wait until the application gets reinstalled on your mobile device, and after it does, see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to simply restart your device. Press and hold the power button and shut down your device like you normally do and turn it on back again. Once you reboot the system, go back and tap open Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your Snapchat application keeps closing on your iPhone.
How to delete Snapchat account. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon which is on top left of your screen. Now tap on the settings icon which is on top right. Scroll down and under support section you'll see the option of I need help. Tap on it. After that, go to my account and security. There you'll see delete my account. Tap on it. There you'll see go to accounts portal. Tap on accounts portal in order to access the link. If you are sure you want to delete your account, enter your password and then tap on continue. Snapchat will now send you an email, so open up your mail. Here it says that your Snapchat account has now been deactivated and in 30 days your account will be deleted. If you want to reactivate your account, you'll need to log into your account. This way you can delete your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.